Exercise 2.2 has two questions covering zeros and forming polynomials. Question 1 has 6 parts, and question 2 has 6 parts. Question 1, Part 1. X squared minus 2x minus 8. We need to split the middle term. Find two numbers that multiply to negative 8 and add to negative 2. The numbers are negative 4 and positive 2. Factor by grouping. X times x minus 4 plus 2 times x minus 4 2. This gives x plus 2 times x minus 4. Set each factor to 0. X plus 2 equals 0 gives x equals negative 2, and x minus 4 equals 0 gives x equals 4. The coefficients are a equals 1, b equals negative 2, c equals negative 8. Question 1, Part 2. 4s squared minus 4s plus 1. This is a perfect square trinomial. Square root of 4s squared is 2s, and square root of 1 is 1. Check the middle term. 2 times 2 times 1 equals 4s, which matches. So it factors as 2s minus 1, all squared, or 2s minus 1 times 2s minus 1. Set 2s minus 1 equals 0, giving s equals 1/2 I. This is a repeated 0. The coefficients are equals 4, b equals negative 4, c equals 1. Question 1, Part 3. 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 whole. We need to split the middle term. Find two numbers that multiply to negative 18 and add to negative 7. The numbers are negative 9 and positive 2. Factor by grouping. 3x times 2x minus 3 plus 1 times 2x minus 3. This gives 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 3 ago. Set each factor to 0. 3x plus 1 equals 0 gives x equals negative 1/3, and 2x minus 3 equals 0 gives x equals 3/2. The coefficients are a equals 6, b equals negative 7, c equals negative 3. Question 1, Part 4. 4u squared plus 8u. Factor out the common factor. 4u. This gives 4u times u plus 2. Set each factor to 0. 4u equals 0 gives u equals 0. And u plus 2 equals 0 gives u equals negative 2. The coefficients are equals 4, b equals 8, c equals 0. Question 1, Part v. t squared minus 15. Use the difference of squares identity. Write as t squared minus root 15 squared. This factors as t minus root 15 times t plus root 15. Set each factor to 0. T minus root 15 equals gives t equals root 15, and t plus root 15 equals negative root 15. The coefficients are a equals 1, b equals 0, c equals negative 15. Question 1, Part 6. 3x squared minus x minus 4 dore. We need to split the middle term. Find two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and add to negative 1. The numbers are negative 4 and positive 3. Factor by grouping. X times 3x minus 4 plus 1 times 3x minus 4 tor. This gives x plus 1 times 3x minus 4. Set each factor to 0. X plus 1 equals 0 gives x equals negative 1, and 3x minus 4 equals 0 gives x equals 4/3. The coefficients are a equals 3, b equals negative 1, c equals negative 4. For question 2, we use the formula x squared minus s plus pa. This comes from the relationships alpha plus beta equals negative b over a, and alpha beta equals c over a. If we choose a equals 1, then b equals negative s and c equals pa. Question 2, Part 1. Sum equals 1/4, product equals negative 1. Apply the formula x squared minus sx plus p. Substitute s and px squared minus 1/4 x minus 1. Multiply by 4 to clear the fraction. 4x squared minus x minus 4/3. The final answer is 4d. X squared minus x minus 4d. Question 2, Part 2. Sum equals root 2, product equals 1/3. Apply the formula x squared minus sx plus p. Substitute s and px squared minus root 2x plus 1/3. Multiply by 3 to clear the fraction. 3x squared minus 3 root 2x plus 1. The final answer is 3x squared minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Question 2, Part 3. Sum equals 0, product equals root 5. Apply the formula x squared minus sx plus p. Substitute s and px squared minus 0x plus root 5 equals x squared plus root 5. No fractions to clear. The final answer is x squared plus root 5. Question 2, Part 4. Sum equals 1, product equals 1, 2. Apply the formula x squared minus sx plus p. Substitute s and p, x squared minus x plus 1. No fractions to clear. The final answer is x squared minus x plus 1. Question 2, Part 5. Sum equals negative 1/4, product equals 1/4. Apply the formula x squared minus sx plus p. Substitute s and px squared minus negative 1/4 x plus 1/4 equals x squared plus 1/4 x plus 1/4. Multiply by 4 to clear the fraction. 4x squared plus x plus 1. The final answer is 4x squared plus x plus 1. Question 2, Part 6. Sum equals 4, product equals 1. Apply the formula x squared minus sx plus p. Substitute s and px squared minus 4x plus 1. No fractions to clear. The final answer is x squared minus 4 times plus 1.